Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our classes. Today we are in page 73. Let's get started. So we have الحروف ممدودة بالواو, letters which have been made long or which have been stretched, elongated بالواو, using the long vowel wow. Okay, so remember we said we have three long vowels in Arabic: Alif, Ya, and Waw. Now we are doing the last one, which is Waw. Al-maddu bil-wawi. Elongating or stretching a letter using the long vowel Waw. طيب. So we have the first one here. Alif, Hamza, Dhamma, and a long vowel Waw. Ooh. Ba, Dhamma, Waw, Boo. Ta, Dhamma, and a Waw, Tu. Tha, Dhamma, Thu, and a long vowel Waw, Thu. Jim, Dhamma, Ju, with a long vowel Ju. Ha, Dhamma, Hu, with a long vowel Waw, Hu. Kha, Dhamma, Khu, with a long vowel Khu. Dal, Dhamma, with a long vowel Waw, Du. Dhal, Dhamma, Dhu, with a long vowel Dhu. Ra, Dhamma, with a long vowel Ru. Za, Dhamma, Zu, with a long vowel Waw, Zu. Sin, Dhamma, with a long vowel Waw, Su. Shin, Dhamma, with a long vowel Waw, Shu. Sad, with a long vowel with a Dhamma Su, and a long vowel Waw, Su. Dad, with a Dhamma and a long vowel Waw, Bu. Ta, Dhamma, and a long vowel Tu. Va, Dhamma, with a long vowel Vu. Ain, Dhamma, with a long vowel Waw, U. Ghain, Dhamma, with a long vowel Ghu. Fa, Dhamma, Fu, with a long vowel Waw, Fu. Qaf, Dhamma, Qu, and a long vowel Waw, Qu. Kaf, Dhamma, with a long vowel Waw, Ku. Lam, Dhamma, Lu, with a long vowel Lu. Mim, Dhamma, Mu, and a long vowel Waw, Mu. Noon, Dhamma, Nu, and a long vowel Waw, Nu. Waw, Dhamma, Wu, and a long vowel Wu. Ha, Dhamma, Hu, and a long vowel Waw, Hu. Ya, Dhamma, Yu, and a long vowel Waw, Yu. Okay. One day you'll realize why am I repeating the long vowel Waw. Inshallah you will know. طيب. Let's start from the beginning until the end. In summary: Oo, Bu, Tu, Thu, Ju, Hu, Khu, Du, Dhu, Ru, Zu, Su, Shu, Su, Bu, Tu, Dhu, Ru, Ghu, Fu, Qu, Ku, Lu, Mu, Nu, Wu, Hu, and lastly You. طيب. Remember, Wow, we are making the vowel Dhamma long, using it, and your mouth should be like circle like. Okay, your mouth should not be straight. If it's straight, the sound of the Dhamma or the long vowel will not come out as properly as needed. Inshallah, ma'asalama. See you in the next half.